There have been a number of misconceptions that have grown over the years about ITIL. The first one is that it's a standard that you can be ITIL compliant. It's not, it's a framework. You can use ITIL to improve the way your organization works, but there's no absolute way of doing that. And that in itself tells you a story that it's not rigid, which is another misconception or myth, that it's something that's authoritarian, it's lots of documentation, it's telling you how to do things. ITIL says you must do that. It's never been like that. In many organizations may have interpreted it that way and may have used it in a doctrinaire way, in an authoritarian or over-controlling way. Unfortunately, that's just the case. What we've tried to do with ITIL 4 is to get away from that by saying, this is how we use it flexibly. You adopt and adapt. You use the guiding principles. A lot of what's gone into ITIL 4 has been to remove a lot of the myths and conceptions that have flown around what ITIL actually is. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you're interested in free ITIL resources, click the link below in the description.